Hello everyone, I'm Arno King and I'm in the fernery at the Brisbane Botanic Gardens, Mount Cootha. I wanted to have a look at maidenhair ferns. I think they're one of the most beautiful types of ferns you can grow, but equally many of them are hardy. And talking about hardiness, this is one of my favourites. This is Adiantum formosum. It's one of our Australian native ferns and it is just stunning. I love the textural qualities and the colour of the new foliage. But looks like it needs a bit of love. This I found quite a tough fern in my own garden, and I love using it in shady spots in the garden. Probably what we associate with maidenhair ferns is in fact this one, which is the common maidenhair fern, Adiantum radianum, and it just has those beautiful fine leaflets on the black stipes or stems. You can see just a stunning fern. Loves a bit of moisture, a bit of humidity, but a great fern for those shaded spots. Behind it is a really incredible fern. This one's from South America. It's Adiantum trapeziforme and sometimes called silver dollar maidenhair fern. Once again, look at those black stems. They're quite extraordinary, and those angular leaflets. A really beautiful plant. This one needs a little bit more warmth, so it does well in subtropical and tropical climates as a garden plant, but all these maidenhair ferns do well in pots. So I hope you enjoyed this brief introduction to maidenhair ferns. There are so many more, so if you think you like them, just see what else is out there. They're great plants.